Hi, I'm John Foody. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'd like to go over the application of 3D printing technology for medical device engineering. Uh, Presentation topics will include a brief overview of the printing setup we have here at Corvia, some advantages of in-house 3D printing, some examples of how you may be able to incorporate 3D printing into your design workflow. So another use for our 3D printers has been in clinical training fixtures. We've been able to, using CT scans from some of our patients, we've been able to create these. We've been able to create a heart model that's custom tailored to the patient population that we're looking to help. And in conjunction with these webcams, we are able to display live images where we overlay fluoroscopy and echo imaging that gives us a simulated use of the cath lab without right on the benchtop. And this is fantastic, one, for testing out new engineering catheter designs, but it also allows us to create a benchtop model for training new employees. So why 3D printing works for us? With these professional level printers, the default settings are very effective right out of the box. Again, as engineers, our time is very valuable and we don't want to spend a lot of time tinkering with settings. Even these printers today are very effective with the recommended settings and getting us the parts that we need without spending a whole lot of time wasted trying to get the settings just right. So that is definitely a plus. Another huge plus is we've had very minimal downtime. We've had over 5,200 hours of print time across both printers, and with zero issues to date, resulting in printer shutdown. Yes, there is a little bit of maintenance required with consumables and upkeep, keeping everything clean. However, these are often very quick things to do. Along the lines of keeping your process flow efficient, again, purchasing automated pre and post processing equipment is very vital in making sure that your process flow is as efficient as possible, so you can spend more time focusing on design iteration and less time on the parts themselves. And along these lines, having a clean and dedicated workspace for your 3D printing setup can help streamline things, as well as basic training for new users. All of our engineers in-house are trained to use our 3D printing options, and it even takes us only about a week to get our interns online as well. These printers are very easy to use, but by just setting up a few safety guidelines and a few cleanliness and process workflow guidelines, you can ensure that your setup in-house will run smoothly and effectively.